Hi, Honey Bunch. Let me start our poem today. First lesson we all finished, right? And one basic class also finished. Do you all know this rhyme? I feel. I think you all learnt in your pre-primary classes. Let me see which rhyme that is. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I will take if I were a dog and could shake. Did you listen this rhyme in your pre-primary classes? Here in this book they given as a poem this one. Who written this one? Alan Fisher. He written this poem to you. What your boy is saying about a bath? We will see. After my bath I try. For what boy is trying? To wipe myself till I am dry. To get dry yourself, what you should do? You should take a towel and wipe yourself, right? So that one is saying here, I am after bath, I am trying to dry myself. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and shiny nose. What all is wiping here? Is wiping fingers, toes and two wet legs and shiny nose. So to wipe itself, what he is doing is trying here, and the wipe is fingers, toes, legs and nose. So he is saying, he is comparing with a dog here. Just think how much less time I will take if I was a dog. If he was a dog, how much less time he was taking to get dry. What dog will do? Once it will shake his body means it will get dry, isn't it? But what we should do? We should take a cloth or towel to dry ourselves. So the boy is comparing with the dog here. If he was the dog, once if he was shaking his body, he was getting dry. So he is saying, after my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I will take if I was a dog and could shake. What boy is saying here, children? He is trying to get himself dry. So what he is doing to get dry? He is wiping himself, his fingers, toes, legs, nose, all the body parts. And he is thinking if he was a dog, he was taking less time to dry himself. So he is comparing him with a dog. Once again we will read together. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I will take if I was a dog and could shake. Who written this poem? Alan Fisher. What is the meaning of wipe? Make something dry with a cloth. Means when if you are wet, that time you will take a cloth and you will wipe yourself. No. For that we will say a wipe. Toes means what? 5 part at the end of your foot. Fingers are there in your foot, right? For that we will say a toes. Shiny means bright. Let me learn in this poem some of the rhyming words. Try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. Rhyming words means same pronunciation will come. Try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. So this is a rhyming words you have in your poem. Try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. Opposite words. Dry, wet, less, more, shine, dull. This is rhyming words. This is opposites. Dry, wet, less, more, shine, dull. The child has just add dash. What the child has just in this poem? He had his lunch or a bath. What he is saying? The child has just add dash. What you want to write there? Bath. The child tries to dash. What he is trying to do in this poem? He is trying to wipe himself. The child has to wipe his legs, fingers, toes and another one what? Nose or neck? Nose. The child's nose is shiny because why it is shining? It is dirty or it is still wet? It is still wet. Here some of the pictures you can see in your textbook page number 24. They given you to write dash a bottle. What you should write here? Here they given options to you. You can choose there and you can write out. Bottle. What you can do? Bottle, rub, clean, wipe, wash, polish, shake. Shake a bottle. Dash eyes. What boy is doing there? Rub. Rub eyes. He is rubbing his eyes. Dash hands. What is doing? Washing. Washing the hands. Dash the floor. Clean. Dash shoes. Polish. Dash a cup. Wipe. Complete this, children. First one is shake. Second rub. Third one wash. Fourth one clean. Polish. Wipe. Once revise this. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and 2 wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I will take if I were a dog and could shake. Who written this? Ali Fisher. So you buy at this poem after my bath. Once you say with me, after my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and 2 wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I will take if I was a dog and could shake. Ali Fisher. So rhyming words: try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. Try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. Opposites, dry, wet, less, more, shine, dull. I hope you all understood this class, children. By at this poem, next class I'll ask. Thank you.